What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. So today we got a pretty easy day, somewhat easy day. We got a paint enhancement, maybe for sure an exterior wash, but maybe a paint enhancement as well. They upgraded to a paint enhancement, but I'm going early so we can do a walkthrough so I can make sure that's what they want, because I don't think they're too sure about the about what the paint enhancement would do. Even though I've talked to them over the phone, explained to them. I also pointed them to the website, say, hey, I have a lot of information on the website. Not only do I have information on the website, I also have pictures. I also have videos and stuff showing a paint enhancement, kind of showing the results. And I also told them basically, you know, each vehicle is different, so it just all depends on your car. I don't know if it has hard paint, soft paint, if it's thin, whatever, you know. And then we have a Chevy SS, so we're doing the interior of a Chevy SS today. So I know for sure the paint enhancement is going to be an exterior wash. So this will be the first time I hand out my flyer right here. Once I'm finished with it, I'm gonna give them my flyer with my maintenance plan. Now I charge like 70. I charge 75 for a to wash the outside of it. Yeah, 75 to wash the outside of a van. Now, if I do the inside, the price is different. I charge the same as a SUV. So what I do is I do the full wash. I do a chemical decontamination of the paint, and then I do a ceramic spray sealant on top of that. And then what I'm gonna do is give them my flyer, and that is how I'm gonna build value into my flyer, into my maintenance plan, because my maintenance plan is slightly cheaper if you do it month by month. You're gonna be saving some money if you do it month by month. If you don't want to do it month by month, then every time you come and you call me, it's gonna be 75, 100 bucks. So like I said, that's just how I'm building value into this plan. So when they do, they're like, nah, you know, I might as well just, I'm getting it done every month, I might as well just go ahead and sign up for his maintenance plan. So we'll see how that goes. But we got a van today, like I said, and a Chevy SS. We doing the interior on the Chevy SS. That should be quick and easy. It shouldn't even be that bad. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna get to the customer house, and we're gonna do the walkthrough and all that good stuff. All right, y'all, so I'm about to show y'all the car in a few. What we're doing is we're gonna do just a premium wash on that one and a premium wash on this Buick in the back, instead of a paint enhancement, and we'll discuss that once I finish with both of them, and then we'll go ahead to the SS. I got some stickers out. They had like 4 of them. I got them all off. If a customer ever asks you to do something like that, make sure they don't have tint. And the steamer is a safe way. There's an attachment that goes on the steamer to scrape stuff off like that, but I don't know. I think I left it at the house. I barely ever take it with me. So, but like I said, if you do that, if you use a steamer, just make sure that they don't have tint, because you can mess the tint up. Oh, my GoPro been off. This is the last one. We got a Chevy SS. Not bad. Alright, we're just doing the inside on this one. Nothing crazy. I need an SS, man. Bro, I want one of these so bad. Got the seats all, leather conditioner, all the plastic and everything in here is pretty much coated with some type of protectant. Man, I want an SS so bad. It's just so much better than a G8. The inside of it, just so much better. Alright, y'all, so I'm editing the video literally right now. So I forgot to put the edit part. One weird thing that happened with the van and the Buick is that he had someone the day before I came to do the inside. So I just wanted to know. I was like, so the people who came do the inside, they couldn't do the outside as well? Like, what, did something happen? And basically what he told me is he wanted to call me to do the inside and out. But what happened is basically his neighbor is cool with some other mobile detailers. And I guess he got pressured into using those detailers for the inside, and then he called me for the outside. But basically, I kind of talked about a paint enhancement, and I guess that'll happen. I'd rather the customer be happy with something and notice a difference than not be happy with it and wonder why they paid so much money for it. Because that would have been like $400. So, I mean, it happens. So basically, when we were talking, I was telling him about paint enhancement again and explaining everything again. And I basically said, you know, it's white. You really don't notice the scratches and swirls like talk about. So right at that moment, I'm like, I really can't show you the scratches and swirls because the sun wasn't out. So he was like, well, yeah, you're right. You know, maybe I should just said, let's just do the wash. I mean, I don't think I need to go that extensive with it. And I was like, okay, are you sure you want to do the wash? I was like, I mean, you do benefit off of doing the paint enhancement because of this, this, and this, and this. And he was like, nah, I'm gonna just do the wash. And I'm like, all right, that's cool with me. All right, I'll get started. Then he came back and was like, well, you think you'll have time to do both of our vehicles? So I was like, yeah, I could do both. And I threw in a little extra of taking the stickers out for him and stuff like that. So instead of 400, I made 150, and it sucks. And yeah, it does suck because, I mean, I wanted to make that 400, but at the end of the day, he came outside and he was happy with just doing the wash for 75, and you know, that's all that mattered. But that'd be it for this video, y'all. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you want to sell yourself, I guess. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day.